Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to create wall art prints to sell on Etsy. And today I'm going to choose a niche, for example, Bauhaus wall art. And we will try to create some of those and you will see how easy it is actually. So of course, first of all, you need to choose the sizing. So I just went to a random seller, and as you can see, they are selling all of these sizes. So I suggest you to do the same. If you want to sell wall art, you definitely need to do more than one sizing or more than 3. So of course, do the ISO sizes like A3, A4, A2, even A5, and some in inches and centimeters. Write down everything, so as you can see, so that a person could choose which one they want to print. So that's that. Now today I'm going to show you how to create, for example, also guys, I want to show you that here are some ratios. So as you can see, the sizing of this 6x8 is a 3 and 4 ratio. So you can actually create this ratio sizing wall art in pixels, and it will fit all of these. You can also create, for example, 8x10 and for this ratio. So you will create it in pixels and it will fit all of these sizes so you wouldn't need to create every single one separately. So I'm just gonna show you quickly how to do that. So to look for the pixels for your wall art, I suggest Google it. So for example, if you want to create a 16x24 inches wall art, and it is 2:3 ratio, so you would need to create, for good resolution, for 200 resolution, I suggest actually to do a 300 one. You would need these pixels. We can also look at some more. So here it is. For 300 resolution, you should do, for example, let's choose size 8x10, which is actually 4:5 ratio, and you would choose these pixels to create. So for example, today let's do this 8x10 on Canva. So I'm just gonna create a wall art on Canva, and we're gonna choose a size 8 and 10 and the best resolution. So for resolution, here it is. So for 300 resolution, you need to choose this one. So to create one, basically just Google it and you will it would be way easier. So now you have your wall art print. Now to have a design for it, you need to go, you can use, of course, Canvas elements or your own. But now I want to show you Creative Fabrica. So here on Creative Fabrica, I just wrote down Bauhaus. And this is, Creative Fabrica is actually way better than just Canva itself. They have way more elements, graphics, fonts, illustrations, backgrounds, and so on. So to create the one, something like that, we can actually go to Creative Fabrica and download one and edit it a little bit. And yeah, that's that. So let's maybe choose something more colorful. So for example, this one. And as you can see, it has commercial and also POD usage allowed. So you don't need to worry about copyright. And now I'll just go here and upload my designs. Now, while these are uploading, I'm just gonna go to the elements and choose the shape. I want to add some border around my design. So I'm just gonna choose maybe no background and a quite thick border. And I'm just gonna make it white, but we're not gonna see the design, so I'm just gonna leave it black right now. I just want to add a design. So let's choose one of the designs, for example, this one. And I'm just gonna make it way bigger. And as you can see, they write down something, so we can also do that. I probably will make it something like that. So here it is. I just deleted that border because we don't need it right now. I'm just gonna put one around this image, around this photo. Now we have to write down some text. And of course you need to find a similar font, as all of them may have, but I'm just gonna choose whatever I like. So for example, let's choose this one. Now we need to add some border. We can actually click on the photo, choose the photo, now click on right here, the border weight, and we can add the border like that. And it's pretty simple to do. Now we can also make it a little bit bigger. Let's make the same width around this. So yeah, that's how it looks like, and how you create a design. After that, you just basically download it as PDF print. And yeah, that's basically it. That's how you create a design for Etsy and sell it there. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.